नबी के पास है, किसी दानिश्वर के पास कोई। ज़िंदगी कैसे खूबसूरत होती है, वो सिफात के साथ होती है, चीज़ों के साथ नहीं। तो मैं सिर्फ 2 हदीसें आपको बताता हूँ, आप करके देख लें, आप देखेंगे आपकी ज़िंदगी में कितना निखार आ जाए। वो हमारे पाकिस्तान में नहीं लिखा होता गोलियां शबाब आवर, एक हफ्ते में जवान हो जाइए, लिहाजा मैं अपनी तो जमानत दे ही नहीं सकता।
It's quite a large, versatile space. We move sets around. And it's not only, I don't want you to think this is something for the Kashmiri cause, because this is a cause that's of interest to them about, and we were able to raise a lot of awareness about it, alhamdulillah. Opportunity for us to meet you and to also meet Molana Tariq Jameel and to show you the advice from him as well. Molana is here, mashallah. It's all integrated and connected to the studio. So we've actually built the facility with the intention of making, allows us to actually, fit out the infrastructure. They're able to access all this content, they're able to edit it and then upload it. We have our own infrastructure, but we also use a lot of cloud infrastructure as well. A very prestigious award from the government of Dubai. It's 5 years old, but we have a long way to go in terms of about Islam in the media. So in 2017, to know that we found just under 3,000 negative about every single picture of it. And we sent this particular report. We are trying to sort of combine the power of media. We're able to actually control all the cameras, all the people, the controller, which they can get an idea.